Changes are coming to the Cook County Court System's electronic monitoring program.
State's Attorney Eileen O'Neill Burke spoke about the program's challenges, and the system's new chief judge is vowing to take urgent action. Political reporter Paris is in the newsroom with the latest on this. Paris?
Yeah, Sylvia and Terrence, State's Attorney Eileen O'Neill Burke says she believes the county is safer thanks to some of the changes that she has brought to the office, like more aggressively seeking pretrial detention for a wider range of violent crimes. But she made no bones about the fact that the public is not safe in her mind if someone deemed a threat is released onto electronic monitoring rather than being held in jail. And the comments come as brand new Chief Judge Charles Beach announces a crackdown on the program today. It has between 2,000 and 25 people on electronic monitoring on a given day, much of the time with no way to police anyone who violates it. Now, Burke says her attorneys have been instructed to seek detention behind bars if someone is thought to be a threat, and she hopes judges agree.
It's not my preference. If somebody is a danger, I do not want them on electronic monitoring. So, but if they're not a danger and a judge doesn't feel comfortable releasing them, that it's almost like a split the baby kind of thing. If we're asking for detention, judges will say, well, I don't want to detain him, but I'm not going to just release him. I'll put him on electronic monitoring. And that's a false equivalency. It makes people feel safe, and they are not safe.
Burke also defended the controversial Safety Act that does away with cash bail. She says it does not have to lead to more dangerous offenders being released if everybody does their jobs right, prosecutors and judges alike. Now, Burke says it is incumbent on the prosecutor to make a good argument and the judge to make a good decision. Meanwhile, the county's public defender says he believes electronic monitoring is safe because data shows very few people who are released go on to reoffend.
The vast majority of people who are accused of a criminal offense and are released do not get rearrested or reaccused of another offense. What that says, there are some horrible, tragic examples of somebody being accused of another offense, but I don't think any law can stop that from happening.
And Judge Beach takes action today. As we mentioned, he announced a committee to urgently review the electronic monitoring program. Quote, the safety of the public and the integrity of our court processes remain our highest priorities. We are committed to a transparent, evidence-based review that enhances accountability, improves coordination, and reinforces the public's trust in our justice system. O'Neill Burke reiterating today that the biggest problem here is who will police somebody if they are found to be in violation of electronic monitoring. That is something, hopefully, that this new committee will work out. Judge Beach says those results will be available by January. Sylvia?
All right. Thanks for that, Paris.